Here's what's inside the November 2024 issue of Cleaner Magazine. Brought to you by Arthur Products. From flexible centering with center cut to a comprehensive line of jetter nozzles, the good folks at Arthur Products have everything you need. And if they don't, they will make it to your specs right here in the US of A. Visit arthurproducts.com. Luis Fanlo's Aero Sewer and Drain is thriving by constantly reinvesting in cutting-edge equipment that improves efficiency. With pipe-bursting lining systems and more, Aero stays prepared for any challenge, making it a versatile one-stop solution for clients. Louisiana-based Pipeline Solutions grew quickly by expanding services and hiring seasoned industry experts. They started with a single hydrovac truck and now operate a fleet of 12. Here's how they did it. Every year, trench collapses claim the lives of about 25 workers, despite safety measures being well known. Is it time for tougher regulations? Brinkman Plumbing boosted productivity and reduced theft with one simple change. Reducing truck downtime by 30% and boosting job efficiency? Sign us up! A breakthrough chemical reaction method developed by a PhD student promises to cut down energy use during CIPP installs while also speeding up curing times. The need for hydro-excavation is projected to grow by 17% annually, so the demand for skilled operators has never been higher. Read up on how to get workers certified to meet the demand safely. Being acquired by a private equity firm can be a path to quick profits, but it might not be all sunshine and roses. Finding the correct sewer nozzle for your jetter's pressure, flow, and hose diameter can be tricky. Never fear, the charts on page 44 will help you make the right choice. Over 30% of service calls stem from root intrusions, so innovative nozzles like the Center Cut Elite Max are essential. The upgraded 27-inch vacuum on the Vactor 2100i boosts suction power, enabling contractors to reach waste from greater distances. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Cleaner Magazine. See you next month.